I am getting so many community guideline violation strikes from TikTok. I don't know why. It seems like TikTok hates me. Well, in this video, I want to share with you some of the strikes I recently got on my profile, the impacts it had, and also what I do when I get these strikes. So if just in case, if you are in the same shoes, maybe you can learn a lesson or two from my experience. Before we jump into it, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's go to my TikTok, and here you go. This is the community guidelines violation that I got today. And if you actually look at this is 5 websites that I'm obsessed with. So my account and TikTok profile is all about marketing tools, tips, hacks, experiments, just very, very simple things. I have no idea why their AI or TikTok will give the community guidelines violation on my content. It's very surprising to me. But anyways, this video was about 5 different websites that I use. So there's nothing. These are simple websites that any social media person could use or probably already uses. So if I go inside this, what's interesting is if I look at the details, and yes, I already appealed this, but look at the reason. Illegal activities and regulated goods. It doesn't make any sense. I did make an appeal. There was an option to appeal. And see how right now the status is appeal received. So they received my appeal and hopefully they'll reinstate this video. Couple of things. Last year, whenever we appealed, there was a place where we could add some text and give them some context. Right now, there's no such thing. And the other thing is I had similar 2 videos, the same guideline strikes or the violation about a week ago. And they got rejected, meaning TikTok did not reinstate the videos, and one of them had the same reason: illegal activities and regulated goods. That's very surprising. I think their AI probably needs to do a better job of picking up these strikes or these violations. It's very surprising to me. I'm very surprised how content like this, me direct to camera, giving people tips and tactics about marketing, it can get like violation strikes like this. Now, a couple of lessons you can learn. So if you notice, recently my views have been really low, like really low. 400, 700, 700, very, very low. I don't even cross, I barely crossed like 1,000. So obviously, one, it could mean my content sucks, right? The second thing is, I believe right here, around these videos, right after this video, I got those 2 strikes the same day, 2 videos back to back. It happened, and I did delete those videos because I appealed, and TikTok rejected my appeal, and then I didn't want to have just a video on my profile looking like this, right? It's kind of like a boo-boo on the profile. So I did delete those videos, but one thing, my observation, if you look at my views before that, so they were pretty 13,000, 5,000. Some of them like high, so 6,000, so 8,000, look at this, so 14,000, so 11,000. So after those strikes and when TikTok did not reinstate my videos, my views have been really, really low. It's noticeable different. So a couple of lessons: if you do get the community guidelines violation, and you believe you didn't do anything wrong, 1, appeal it, and 2, I believe after the violations for next like a week or 2, you got to be super careful because it may look like this, right? It may look exactly like mine. You may have very, very low views. So that's the second thing. The third thing is there's a way that you can sort of contact TikTok. It's not ideal, but I'll show you. I'm going to click on those 3 bars, 3 dots on the top. And then let's go to report a problem. Let's do that. And then here are different options, but click on this, this chat looking icon. When you do this, you can send a message to TikTok. So this is what I did on June 7th, which was about a week ago. This is when those 2 videos got the strikes or the violation from me. So I sent them a message and I did hear back. But if you look at this seems like a like automatic response. What they told me was tap on the notification scroll down and appeal and submit, which I had already done, and I was surprised that they didn't reinstate my videos. So I'm probably gonna send them a message again because I just got that the strike or the violation today. But let's see. I do think this box, the support tickets, the messages that I've gotten in the past and also on some other account, it seems like they're very generic messages, and I understand because TikTok, probably the size of the user base they have, they probably can't reach out to everyone and give them like a human touch. But I'm still hoping that they come back and they realize that my videos have nothing to do with illegal activities or crazy goods, right? It's a simple marketing tips. But there is a way you can open a support ticket by clicking on this icon and reach out to them. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Number one, be careful. Do follow the community guidelines because when we create content on TikTok or Instagram, it's their platform. We got to follow their rules. So make sure you understand and read those. Number two, whenever you get the violation or strike like this, appeal it if you believe you didn't do anything wrong. And also you can reach out to them through the support ticket. But after, let's say if and by the way, in the past, like last year or a few months ago, I did get violation strikes in the past too. But almost always, whenever I appealed, I got the videos back. But only this time, a week ago, those two videos, they never came back, or TikTok rejected my appeal. So maybe there's something going on, the algorithms are changing, the process is changing, or something is happening. But we gotta be careful on our end. So whenever you do get strikes like this, what I'm probably gonna do is be very careful for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, with the triple check my content and make sure there's nothing in there that I feel that could kind of trigger any sort of flags. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of sad for me that I'm getting, my account is probably flagged and I'm getting a lot of violations, and I believe they are a mistake. By the way, if someone watching, if you know someone at TikTok, if you work at TikTok and you can help me with some of this, or maybe put me in touch with, or maybe you know something that I don't, maybe there's a way to contact TikTok and let them know, hey, I believe there's nothing wrong with my video outside of just doing the submit appeal button. If you do know anything, let me know. Reach out to me, leave me a comment, send me a DM. Let me know because I can use your help. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.